Dear friends, in this episode, we are going to discuss chemical characteristics of bomb, composition of bombs. As we see nowadays, there is a very huge war between Ukraine and Russia going on, and Russia bombarded many regions of Ukraine. So it's very bad for the world. It's very bad news for the world to have this type of wars. We all need peace, but as a chemistry students we try to learn about some chemical characteristics of bomb and compositions of bombs, and it's are as follows. While few chemicals find use as a military explosives, these can be combined with plasticizers and other materials to create a plethora of formulations. The problem of terrorism and suicide bombers, however, narrows the focus to high explosives. Several such explosives as well as some plasticizers and agents found in plastics explosives, and some of the high explosives and high explosives contains intimate mixture of oxidant and reductants. So these are the oxidizing and reducing agents in the bombs, either within a simple molecule such as nitroglycerin, pentaerythritol, tetranitrate (PETN), that is pentaerythritol tetranitrate (PETN), and trinitrotoluene (TNT), trinitrotoluene, or triacetone triperoxide (TATP), or within an ionic solid such as ammonium nitrate. When mixed with fuel oil, mixture of high explosives are frequently used. For example, Semtex is a blend of triclomoethylene trinitramine (RDX) and PETN. Reductants: aluminum powder, fuel oil. All explosives must contain both oxidizing and reducing agents. Strong oxidizing agents require the use of the most electronegative elements like nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine. Therefore, one common aspect of high explosives compositions is a large percentage of the more electronegative elements, nitrogen and oxygen. Some representative common high explosives and their compositions are as follows. Explosives based on nitrogen: ammonium nitrate, formula H4N2O3, composition OHNO. Another example is ammonium picrate, formula C6H6N4O7. Another example, RDX, cyclonite, ethylene diamine dinitrate. Another example, guanidine nitrate. Another example, hexamethylene triperoxide diamine. Another example, picric acid, tetrazine, tetryl. Another example, trinitrobenzene (TNB). Another example, trinitrotoluene (TNT). So these are the some examples of high explosives. So these explosives or these bombs when explode, they make huge destruction or cause very high losses to pupils, land properties. So this should be avoided and the peace is necessary at all. Thank you to listening this episode.